The PUREPLUS replacement for Bosch 11025825 is more than just a filter. It is the silent guardian of your family's hydration. A steadfast sentinel standing watch over every drop of water that flows from your refrigerator. This meticulously engineered filter, a perfect counterpart to the Bosch 11025825 Ultra Clarity Pro, tirelessly works to purify your water, transforming ordinary tap water into a pristine, refreshing liquid. It is compatible with a wide range of models, including 12,033,030, 12,028,325, 11,025,825, BORPLFTR50, WFC 100 mf, B36 Quart 80 SNS, and B36 CL80 Ns, thereby offering a versatile solution for numerous households. Consequently, you can trust this filter to remove unwanted contaminants, from chlorine and lead to other impurities that can tarnish the taste and quality of your water. Furthermore, its easy-to-install design ensures that you can effortlessly replace your old filter, ensuring a continuous supply of clean water without any hassle. Moreover, the PUREPLUS replacement for Bosch 11025825 is a testament to the fact that excellence can be found in the details. It is a workhorse, tirelessly toiling behind the scenes to ensure that every glass you pour is as clear as a mountain spring. Indeed, its multi-stage filtration process is a marvel of modern engineering, meticulously stripping away impurities to reveal the true essence of water. This filter is a beacon of purity, and its very presence in your refrigerator is a promise of health and well-being. Additionally, its high-capacity design ensures a long lifespan, reducing the frequency of replacements and thus providing a cost-effective solution for your family. Ultimately, this PUREPLUS replacement for Bosch 11025825 is not merely a product. It is a commitment to a healthier lifestyle, a small but significant step towards ensuring that the water you drink is as pure as nature intended. Finally, while many filters promise clarity, the PUREPLUS replacement for Bosch 11025825 delivers on that promise with an unwavering consistency. It is the heart of your refrigerator's water system, a vibrant and dynamic force that keeps the life-giving liquid flowing pure and clean. The convenience of this 3-pack is a great advantage, because it ensures that you have a ready supply of filters, so you never have to worry about running out. Therefore, you can rest easy knowing that your family is drinking water that is not only safe but also delicious. In conclusion, this filter is a champion of freshness and a stalwart defender against the impurities that threaten our water supply. The PUREPLUS replacement for Bosch 11025825 is the unseen hero in your kitchen, ensuring that every glass of water is a refreshing and revitalizing experience. Pros: great product at a great price, fraction of the cost, water pressure improved dramatically. Simple to install, no leaks whatsoever, fast shipping, as advertised, works as stated, great. Replacement filter cons: did not work for my Bosch B36 CD50 SNS, none of them worked. No option to return after a few months. Features: compatible with 12,033,030, compatible with 12,028,325, compatible with 11,025,825, compatible with BORPLFTR50, compatible with WFC 100 mf, compatible with B36 Quart 80 SNS, compatible with B36 CL80 Ns. Comes in a 3-pack. The PUREPLUS BORPLFTR50 is a refrigerator water filter replacement. It is compatible with several Bosch models, including 11,025,825, Ultra Clarity Pro, 12,033,030, 12,028,325, and BORPLFTR50. This filter also works with WFC 100 mF, B36 Quart 80 SNS, and B36 CL80Ns refrigerators. The product comes in a convenient 3-pack, offering a cost-effective solution for maintaining clean and clear drinking water. The PUREPLUS BORPLFTR50 refrigerator water filter is a great, affordable replacement for the Bosch 11025825 filter. Customers praise its dramatic improvement in water pressure, easy, leak-free installation, and fast shipping. The product is advertised as a great value that works as stated. However, some customers have had issues with the product not working for their specific Bosch models, such as the B36 CD50 SNS, and have had trouble with returns after a few months.